All right, friends, let's go ahead and make a chocolate Cosmo today because, these are such beautiful fall flowers and I just love them, but really they just have such a deep texture. So we're doing 8 of our petals and I just went ahead and hand cut these. And then we have our center strip and our leaf base. So right now we're gonna go ahead and use our pinking shears and then snip that bad boy up. I love pinking shears, they just add so much texture. So we're gonna do that in this same burgundy color and then also the beautiful rich golden yellow. So we're gonna go ahead and roll the burgundy up first, and I like to apply glue to the entire strip because, it just works better. Anyways, so I'm doing about, it's about 3-ish inches of the burgundy, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wrap that in that golden yellow, just perfectly one layer around, and then kind of just like push it down and flare it out, and it just kind of gives it that like super fun little organic-y center. Okay, so this is the fun part. We're gonna take our petals and I'm gonna use a hair straightener, guys. Isn't that so amazing? So this is just a mini little hair straightener from Amazon. It was like $10. Oh my gosh, I love this thing. So we're gonna go ahead and pinch it once down the middle. I can fold it in half and kind of make a crease, and then I'm gonna do it in thirds. So going the opposite direction. So it's a little bit harder to see in this video, but you're gonna have 3 little humps, 1 going down and 2 going up. So the 2 humps going up is your front. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of glue to the bottom part of the petal and just pinch that shut. We're gonna do that to all 8 of our petals. Okay, so now we have our center. So we're gonna go ahead and just space all 8 petals in 1 layer all the way around the flower. So I don't really care about, making it perfectly spaced out. In fact, I like it a little bit more or just loosey-goosey, and it just kind of gives more fun to the flower when they're not just all perfect. When you have gaps and then you have some that are overlapping petals, I just think it looks so pretty. So we're gonna get our wire and we're gonna string it through a little leaf base here. I'm gonna throw in some glue and just go ahead and just cover that base. And this kind of just helps hold all the petals together and just kind of like finishes off your flower. But we're not done, guys. Okay, so we're gonna take each flower petal now and just kind of give it a little curl down. This just helps really shape those petals to make them look so much more beautiful and fun. And fluff that center back up and you have a beautiful Cosmo. All right, thanks guys so much for joining me today, and be sure to like and subscribe and follow along for all the super fun tips, and let me know when you make your own chocolate Cosmos.